Found some old bear tracks. You can see how wide they are. Pretty cool. How's it going, everybody? A lot of you have been asking me where I've been, and truth be told, I've been in the mountains. It's bear hunting season. I've been going up to the Beartooth Mountains here in Montana and going black bear hunting. I've been searching the riverbeds, looking at the ridges, you know, just glassing around, having a good time, eating some hot dogs, you know, fishing a little bit, and just living it up. So I thought, why not do something different today? I'll just share my bear hunting EDC, because it's not anything I've seen before. Anyway, it'll be short and sweet, and I hope you guys like it. I'm going to start right here on the bottom right. This is my Smith & Wesson Performance Center. It's an 8-shot 357 Magnum. I have 180 grain Remington semi-jacketed hollow points in it. It's a pretty heavy round for this gun, but when you're bear hunting out in grizzly country and where there's a lot of mountain lions and a lot of big dangerous game, it pays to have it with you. And it's just a comfortable, fun gun to carry. Over here is what I'm actually hunting with. This is my Smith & Wesson 460. It's the XVR, which means Extreme Velocity Revolver. I do have a review on this if you want to see it. It's a very nice handgun. It has a lot of power coming out of that muzzle, and it'll take down just about anything in North America, which is why I want to take it with me and hunt. It's just different. It'll be fun, and think how much bragging rights I'll have for the rest of my life if I kill a bear with a handgun. Pretty awesome. Anyway, up here's my knife. This one I custom designed with Robert Martin of Tops Knives, who's one of my good friends. It has koa wood for the handle, which only grows in 2 places in the world, and I got the high grade one that grows in Hawaii. It's a CPM 10V blade. It's a very nice little handy knife, and I like it. And I've been using it a lot lately. It's my everyday carry. There's my titanium fire steel. There's my Smith & Wesson 460 XVR holster. Here's my Badlands bag. It's my EDC bag. You guys have seen it if you see the review. I'll probably put a link to it down below and you guys can check it out. But it has everything I normally carry with me. And it's convenient and comfortable, so it works when I'm hunting. And of course, some orange. Anyway, I'm probably going to roll in some footage here at the end and just show you where I've been, show you some of the sights. It's been unbelievable, it's been fun, and I like it. So anyway, guys, oh, almost forgot. There is the sheath for my knife. It's actually elephant leather on the outside, kangaroo on the inside, and it's just really awesome and classy. Anyway, guys, I'll roll that footage in, so rate, comment, subscribe, and check out the other videos that kind of show off some of this different stuff. I'll talk to you guys later. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like 300 or 400 baby trout swimming along that little inlet here. This is crazy. I'm out here tracking some bear, but I'm finding everything but bear. Look at all these tracks stuck in the mud here. Pretty neat. Anyway, let's see what I can find. I'm out here on the lake shore. Found some more wolf tracks, pretty awesome. Some goose tracks too, actually. See them. This little island is full of life, and it's not very long. Look how deep and fresh those are. This is pretty cool. There's more moose tracks. Really fresh. Looks like he went straight into the water. Probably to eat some of that grass that's growing in there. It's so pretty out here. There's some sandhill cranes. Got more snow coming down. Look at the size of these boulders. I've headed back to the truck. It's starting to really come down now. Mountain blizzards, gotta love them. It's definitely really windy.